awareness campaigns to the children of these Matangali, and really the aim of that is to bring about a sense of pride in the children to know that their elders made a good decision to conserve this Upper Navo conservation area, and that they will inherit it in the future, and that they will be the ones who will be managing it in the future.
It sounds minute, but it carries a lot of weight when we think of it, because when we visit this site, we must not leave anything behind to create damages to this nice pristine environment. This is the first time I'm here, and I really want to say now is that we should promote more of this in Fiji, because it is creating employment for the resource owners, and at the same time increasing their capacity on why environment is important. And also it is a source of capacity building for policymakers and officials from government, non-governmental organizations and business community. That there is a way which we can utilize our environment in making income rather than damaging it.
For future generation, it's really good for us to protect this place here because firstly, apart from the money that the tourists usually give it to the Rivers Fiji, part of the money goes back to the people in the village. For us, what we normally do for the money that the tourists they give it to the village, we put it in the bank, and when our kids they did well in school to go to high school or uni, we use this money for them.
So it's so important that they work together with Rivers Fiji?
It's really important to work together with Rivers Fiji because we protect this place here. We don't let mine companies or logging companies to come around here. They might destroy lots of things.
And I think we'll be